The Chevrolet Bel Air is one of those iconic cars that never seems to lose its charm. As years pass, the demand for this classic full-size car only continues to grow. One example of this enduring appeal was seen recently at a Barrett-Jackson auction in Scottsdale, Arizona. The highlight of the event was a stunning 1956 Chevy Bel Air, which fetched an impressive $247,500, a price tag that's becoming all too common for these timeless vehicles. And here's why spending $250,000 on this beauty might actually make sense. This particular Bel Air represents the second generation of the car, produced in 1956, and it has been brought into the modern era through a highly detailed and custom restoration. The car was fully revived by an undisclosed shop, with the body resting on a powder-coated Art Morrison chassis. The result is a machine that can go toe-to-toe with even the most luxurious vehicles of today, both in terms of style and performance. The exterior of this Bel Air is a masterpiece, with a flawless combination of candy apple red and pearl white, accented by just the right amount of chrome and stainless trim. The smoked glass gives it an air of mystery and elegance, while the attention to detail is evident in every inch. From shaved door locks to a soft-close trunk door, this Bel Air doesn't just look beautiful, it operates with a level of precision that's almost silent. Under the hood, the original engine has been swapped out for a 525 horsepower LS3 engine, paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This upgrade significantly boosts the car's performance, making it a true powerhouse on the road. Additionally, the car features modern performance upgrades like Wilwood braking hardware, a ceramic-coated exhaust system, and Budnik wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich tires. Step inside, and the custom restoration continues. The cabin features soft tan leather throughout, complementing the exterior's colors perfectly. The LED lighting, Dakota Digital HDX gauges, and hidden stereo system all add to the modern appeal of this otherwise classic car. Even cup holders have been added for a modern touch, ensuring comfort for every passenger. While we don't know who the lucky new owner is, it's easy to see why paying $250,000 for this car is a worthy investment. Whether they plan to enjoy it or hold on to it as an appreciating asset, the 1956 Chevy Bel Air is sure to keep its value and charm for years to come.